Hello and welcome. My name is DW and this is my little slice of the internet I like to call Dub's Beauty Diary. Today I have on my Hocus Pocus shirt, my Hocus Pocus earrings, because I got my Colourpop Hocus Pocus package. So I'm going to be unboxing this today and using all the products I can for my first impressions. So let's start by removing the bubble wrap. So we've got these cat ear furry cat ear hair clips. I did get the whole collection. I do not remember how much it cost. My hair is so thin that it does not hold much in it. These are cute though. They're very soft, fuzzy. Let's try to put this one back in a little better. There. So I've got my furry little ears, and what else do we got in this box? We have a BFF mascara with a Billy on it. It's called Butcher Sin. I'm assuming it is a purpley color or shade, sorry. Cute packaging. I love the bats. Bats are my favorite animal. Then we have 3 Jelly Much shadows. One for each sister. So the Winifred one is I Am Calm. The inside of the package is cute too. There's a cat on it. Green iridescence. It's beautiful. Be a nice topper. Sarah is Come to Play. What do you guys think about these new graphics for Hocus Pocus? Like, are they kind of childish, or do we like them? This one has different insides too. So she has a skull on hers. They're hard to open. Purple. La, 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 la. I've never used these on the eyes, but I've heard good things. Very glittery. I can feel the glitter too. And for Mary, it's Shishka Baby. Come on. You know, have you seen the new movie? Because she looks great in it. An eye. This one is orange. We have had, this is the third Hocus Pocus collaboration with Colourpop so far, so I don't know if they're planning on doing this a lot more or what, but this is the first time we got hair clips and Jelly Much shadows. Let's see, what else do we have? We have 3 lip gloss, So Glassy lip gloss. One for each of the sisters again. So let's start with Winifred again. So the inside of this is the same as the Jelly Much. And it looks just like the Jelly Much. And there's a cat on it. Kind of smells like motor oil. This one is called Sister Behold. I do not like that smell or taste. And now I have glitter everywhere. Okay. Hopefully the other ones are better. This one, Sarah's, is Boys Will Love Me. Ugh. This one's pretty. It's black with purple glitter. This one doesn't smell or taste terrible. Really pretty. I like this. It looks like it would look really good over any dark lipstick, like a purple or black or even a dark red. So that one was Boys Will Love Me. I don't know if I like the Colourpop formula for lip gloss. It's kind of sticky and goopy. Ugh, glitter everywhere. The Mary one is called We're Young. And this one is orange to match the orange Jelly Much. Pretty wearable. It's like orangish gold sparkles, but otherwise it's a nude. So, you know, right now this was a no. It just, I don't know if it's gone off or what. If you got this collection, tell me what you think of the smell of this, because it's not for me. We've got, let's do this first. The Soul Find the Book Shimmering Body Power. It's got the Winifred stuff on it. This is huge. I needed another highlight, like I needed another hole in the head, but it's fine. This one smells like coconut. This is really pretty. I'll do a little swatch first. Green with some pink. That's pretty. Do I put too much highlight on? Probably. Do I care? Definitely not. Pretty. I really like that. Don't think I like it enough to have this huge pan of it, but I really like this. This was a good one. And the moment of truth. The palette. There is 15 shades. This is really nice. Here's what it looks like. Let me get the other year's palettes to compare. So this is this year's palette. More punchy, more bright. Then last year's palette had these graphics on it. A little grungier, a little more fall-esque. Not my favorite. And then the first one, here's the graphics for that one. And here's the palette. So this is supposed to be a matte dark green, like sagey green color, but I got two of this shade, so that's maybe why my palette looks a little weird. There is a pressed glitter in here, but other than that, I think that was the only pressed glitter in the whole series. Oh nope, there's one in this new palette too, this one right here. And also with the other collections, we had, with the first collab, we got two glitter much shadows, like, or glitterly obsessed glitter here. They're really big. And then for last year's collection, we got 3 Super Shocks. One for each of the sisters here. And then I believe one year we got some liquid lipsticks. That's not distracting at all. We got some liquid lipsticks, and maybe that's it. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not sure. Anyway, we're going to start the eye look with the new palette. I'm going to start with, let's see, since my highlight is green, maybe we should do a greenish look. Yeah, I guess. So I'm going to start with Cursed. It's matte with glitter in it. Pretty pigmented. It's like a lime green, but it turns a little more yellow on my skin, which is fine. Oh, I'm gonna do Wicked Ways. Greens and purples do not mix well together, so if you do blend them together, they probably will get muddy, in case you didn't know that. Color theory, you know. Okay, then I'm gonna take the dark green Night of Sins on my lower lash. I'm going to put the I'm gonna put brew another batch all over my lid. I'm going to dab some of the I Am Calm Jelly Mud Shadow on top of that. I'm gonna just go ham with this. This is a weird formula. I don't mind it, but it is like a little bit much. Then where is that mascara? Yeah, it's purple. This looks dried out too. This is called Butcherson. I lost most of the purple when I put that jelly much on it, so I'm gonna go into Observe and dab it on the outer and into the crease. Have you guys watched this movie yet? I really like it. I am a big Hocus Pocus fan. I used to watch the movie all the time. It didn't matter if it was Halloween or not. Now, I don't think that I will watch the new one as much as I did the first one, just because I'm an adult when it came out, so I don't like connect with it as much as I did before, I guess. But I thought it was cute. I thought it was updated with how things are today. And I thought that was nice. It had some nice closure. I'm gonna try this Cometh to Us in my brows here. It had some good closure, which I thought was nice, so they could like end the series with that, or they also left it open-ended, so you could get another sequel. Either way, I think it'll be fine. And I guess if another one comes out, I'd probably watch it, so. But I'd be curious to know what you guys think, or if you've even ever seen Hocus Pocus before. I've got a friend who is a little younger than me, but she's around my age, and she's never watched it. And then I've got another friend who doesn't like it. Like, just straight up doesn't like it. works fine, which doesn't make any sense to me, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go into 17th century. You know, I wanna just swatch this 17th century right here. Get it a little more. And I want to swatch it compared to the highlight. So this is the shade in the palette, 17th century. And this is the highlight. It is what it is, I guess. I'm gonna do another layer of mascara because I usually do 2 layers of different brands. I like their BFF mascara, but I don't know. And I've had some that have been open for like a year plus and they still look fine. So I don't know why this one is all weird. Anyway, this is the final look. Did you guys pick up this collection? I'm just curious. So the only thing I didn't like was I didn't like this lip gloss. The first one I opened called Sisters Behold because it stunk and tasted bad. I think I'm just gonna throw this away. That's so gross. And then I didn't love the mascara because it seems like it's dry. It doesn't smell, but it just doesn't seem like there's any weight or anything in here. Like, listen, it's just like, I don't know. Let me show you another one. Yeah, see, this one I've had open for over a year and it's still like suctiony and you can see there's stuff in there. But this one, I don't know, just maybe it wasn't like sealed right. No, it definitely wasn't sealed tight, but I don't know. We'll try it a couple times and see if it works. I like the palette, cute color story. I like the brightness of it, that it's more punchy than the previous previous releases. I don't know if I like these so much. I'd much rather have a Super Shock or the Glitterly Obsessed. This is just like a hybrid between them and I don't think that's necessary. I love this highlight. Super pretty. Really like the formula. It's kind of like creamy, like a Super Shock highlight would be, but in this giant pan. So yeah, that was my first impressions of the collection. I will have to try the palette out again. I don't know if I love the look, but that's just because the Jelly Much like did a number on it. Not that I'm afraid to wear glitter or anything. I do it a lot, but I just wasn't expecting it to be that glittery. I don't know. Anyway, and these are a little sticky, but they're cute. They're cute. But anyway, that is all I have for today, so I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.